Hi, I'm Trisha from Club Scrap, and I'm so thrilled to introduce you to our newest card kit. It's called Inspired, and it's the best name for the collection that will launch our 26th year of creating monthly kits. Let's take a look. Here is everything that will come to you in the box. You'll have 2 pieces of this lovely print here. It's a text weight, and then 1 additional sheet of this gold foil paper. And then to finish your cards, you'll have 2 8.5 by 11 white, 2 aqua, 2 of this medium green that has a linen texture, 2 of my favorite color of teal, and then 2 dark green. And all of these papers are a nice cover weight stock. We do keep all of our card makers happy with these cut aparts. One thing that's nice about them is once you trim all the individual elements, you have everything needed for the outside and inside of a dozen cards with no stamping required. I love to embellish my cards with ribbon. Your box will also include a yard of this really cool ombre in that hunter green and some sparkly aqua grosgrain, as well as 2 yards of this thin teal taffeta. You'll also have fun embellishing your cards with these 4 miniature tassels and 4 really sweet feather charms. A nice feature about our kits is that we always include the envelopes required. We'll make 4 each of 3 card styles, and of course we have the envelopes to match. I think kits are a lot of fun, but they can be a little bit intimidating if they arrive and you have no idea what to do with them. We have that solved here at Club Scrap. First of all, you can download and print a set of very detailed instructions, and this just helps you know exactly where to trim and score all of the papers and how those cards come together. But I know a lot of you aren't a big fan of reading and deciphering all these instructions. So the great thing is I film a full workshop so you and I can trim all those papers, score them, and make these cards together. This is a really neat pinwheel card, and I cleverly folded the text weight printed paper so that you open it up and you've got the happy, happy, joy, joy, and there I've used that sweet little feather charm. It's a very clever fold, but very easy to do. Again, in the workshop video, I'll show you exactly how to make this card. We make things in sets of 4. So this is the first one, the second one, and then we have 2 You Are Amazing cards with remember that in the inside of the pinwheel, plus the sentiment on the inside of the card. And then I'll show you exactly how I make my fun pop-up cards. I have this down to a science. It's really very easy, and aren't these fun? So best day ever, that's my wish for you. We even include a little directive so that the recipient knows to pull outward on the card base to make the pop-up work. So 2 of these, and then the other one is a fun little belated greeting. By the time we get to the 3rd set of cards, you'll be ready for something simple. I've delivered that as well. You'll make a single folded 5x7 card. What's nice about this, it has lots of layering and panels, features that sweet little tassel, and some really lovely sentiments. We've got a thank you card here, and we also have seasonally appropriate congratulations card. So if you've got a graduate in the family, this is the card you'll want to send. I sincerely hope you'll join me for this inspired workshop. Pick up your card kit today, and I'll see you in class.